Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Lawson's Landing. Today is December 7, 2024. We are doing crabbing today. Nice view. So we have prepared our hook nets ready to drop off in the water. So pretty much we are ready. Yes, welcome. We are three of us. So we do crabbing today at Lawson's Landing with my brother from San Diego. He's an addict. Addict. He just drove like 8 hours to go crabbing today and then go back tomorrow on Sunday. Okay? With my friend, old buddy, Paul. Good. I just released it, the lock.
That's what we love to see.
Yeah, and then the screw with the in the middle plug. Yeah.
Yep, flip. I never heard to check.
At least, yeah, because we'll be here. Yeah, we're doing it here. So.
Yeah, perfect. The
So
boat definitely moves a lot better when it's not stuck to the trailer. It doesn't have a big hole in it.
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
It's ready, man.
Good luck out there, guys.
Thank you. What number again? You're if I call 74? I forgot.
74 is, yeah, that's all we want.
Yeah, that's no. Yeah. We're going. We're going. Yes.
Lagyan mo sa pinaka-flooring, taas mo lang ng konti.
This is the view. Okay. So, sana makahook up ng malalaking crab. Oh, gutom na ang aking brother. Ayan, gutom na si paring Paul. Kakain kami ng Lucky Me para swertehin. And also Fritos from San Diego. Hindi na video. What the heck? Pero at least we have one. Hindi na video.
Pala yan, yung
Yes.
sausage.
Ito.
Naamoy.
Second reel. Second cast. We'll see if we can catch a crab again. Oh, meron. One. Na. One, two. Crab again! Crab again, man! Uy, yan na. Second crab. Alay pa dito. This is it. Dungeon crab, dungeon crab. Come on, dungeon crab. Dungeon crab, yes.
Oh.
Dungeon crab,
No, red crab.
dungeon crab. Come on, dungeon crab.
Minimum.
Oh, yes. Come on, dungeon crab.
Minimum.
Hugasan daw. Oh, second cast. Second dungeon crab. Uy. Uy, may nahuli si kapatid. Jack Smilk. Yee! Troy. Basta ano ulit ha? Tingnan mo, mabigat. Oh, mabigat. Alam mo na yan. Sige, yun. Yan Alex. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Meron yan. Dahan-dahan. Sige. Tingnan natin. Makikita naman natin kung may crab Sige. Yes. Mabigat Yakya mo agad ha? Yakya mo. Mabigat Oh, dalawa. Ayan na. Dalawang seaweeds. Ayun. Sige. Dungeon. Uy, ako. Oy, third cast. Ay, hindi. Hindi keeper. Hindi. Maliit. Pero tingnan lang natin. Maliit. Oh. 5 maybe 5 feet. 5 inches. 5 feet. 5 inches. Okay. Catch by my brother. Oh, crossing away. Oh, yes.
Pull.
Uy, yun. Promising. Promising. Oh. Yes. Keeper. Keeper to pare. Bigat to. Jumbo. Come on, Jumbo. Jumbo pare. Jumbo. Yan na. Jumbo. Crab. Keeper yan. Yes. Crab again. Keeper.
Anak.
Uy. Nihila ko. Uy, shit. Itong ka. Bigat din yun. Bigat din. Sugat ako. Sugat ako.
Yun. Yan yung nahuli ko kanina.
Sumabay. Yan. Yan natin. Sugatin. Alam niya tampol ha, perfect tan, perfect shot. Tani ma plus.
Di, agtayo gawa.
Gawa tayo. Niliyo Anda. Nga puta diri. Pangalan ko nan pa. Unsa ni? Sige, come on. Big ones. Come on. Big ones. Big mama. Oh yes, ja. Yes. Wow, Jumbo. Baba dito, baba. Dami. Baba mo dito. Dito may bababa. Dali lang. Dito may baba. Dali lang. Ito, keeper na to. Keeper na yan. Daming keeper. Puro keeper yan. Mamaya na natin. Keeper. Jumbo.
Alat yan.
Oh,
Hindi. Yan, siguro.
hulog ulit. Yes. We have a lot. Sina, hulog. Sa keeper ulit. Hey. Ayan. Sige. Keeper ulit. Yan, hinihila ni kapatid. Mabigat.
Bigat kasi doon sa ano.
Oh, sige. Pwede yan. Ayan na. Malapit na. Yo, kapatid. Yan. Oh, keeper ulit. Ito. Keeper ulit. Jumbo. Dali lang. Keeper. Keeper. Ang daming keeper.
Ay, kasi yung color ko ang kinuha mo.
Hindi, mamaya kaya mo yan. Wala.
Tapon na ko lang.
Tapon na yan.
Yan. Tapon yan.
Hindi, tapon. Yan. Tapon lahat.
Kaya kung marami dito, ibig sabihin.
Oo. Tapon mo ulit yan. Uy. Yes, sir. Sige, pull mo ng pull. Sobrang excited ni kapatid, ni brother. Ayan na ulit. Putang ina siya. Bak na mula ng sugatan to, shit. Dali. Keeper.
Pag hindi,
Barely. Tapon. Tapon.
yung
Tapon.
yan lang.
Tapon. Ito. Uy. Tapon. Yes. Oh, susunod. Asan na yung bucket mo? Yan.
Yung pakita.
2. Di na, basta kukunin mo lang. 2. 3. Hindi na, huwag mo na ipakita pre, basta dyan na lang. 3. 4. Yan o. jumbo. 5. Yeah. 6. 6. 6. Yan o. 7, 8. Yan, 7, 8. 8. 9, 10. 9, 10. 11. 11.
Yun ang sa akin ha.
Oh, 11.
Ito masakit man nung ano.
11. Di, tabo. 11. 11 yun ha. Lagyan mo dito. Ikaw mo itanong to pare. Ikaw mo itanong. Nita ni. Tabo.
Tanggalan mo yung tubig.
Wow.
Ito oh. Crab. 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 Crab again. Yes, sir. Crab again. Red crab? Dungeon crab?
Dungeon.
Alien.
Jumbo.
Alien crab.
Alien crab. Bigat pa!
Ha?
Bigat.
Bato yan, bato.
Bato yan,
rock
bato.
crab.
Rock crab. batong crab.
Brown.
Ew.
Brown yan, brown.
Ew, yan. Passable. Ay, yung sayo. Yan mo yun?
Oo.
Baka,
Ito. Ito ulit. Bigat. Sayang yun. Meron to, dahan-dahanin ko pala ng ganito lang. Na ano ko, baka naputol yung paa.
ay ganun ba?
Oo, baka naputol. Oh, ang bigat! Ina mo! Oh. Grabe! Grabe pa rin! Jumbo! Okay.
Jumbo hala. Wala.
Meron!
Jambong wala.
Ayan na! Dungeon crab! Ay,
Jumbo hala. Ayun, red crab. Oh.
Jumbo!
Yan
Sayang yung kanina. Bakit? Yes.
Sabi mo video ko.
Yes.
Ayun oh.
How are you, Paul?
Very good.
Very good. You're doing great. Having fun?
I'm having fun.
Yes. How about you, brother? Sleepy? Oh, we have 3 rods here. 2 for crapping and 1 for any fish. So we are keeping red crab and our Dungeness crab. Yay! Cool. Yes. Ito yan. Kapitok. Yan ulit. Mabigat. Ay, apa ni nato nalati lamot. Nalalamot. Yun. Hirap na hirap si Alex. Ay, ang gapo. Oh, wala keeper. Wala sa akin, keeper. At least wala keeper. Keeper lang yan. Hindi. Ilipat natin yan. Keeper na. Next. It's been like 12:30. You need to eat. Take a rest and reel again later. Time check. 3 here. You know the secret here. You're good. Second bucket. And that third bucket.
Kalimutan ko,
Ha?
nag-order sana ako ng ganito para may uwi ako.
Oo nga, ang sarap eh, oh. Cheers. You know. Paul naman, Paul. Come on, Paul. Is it your lucky day? Wala ata. Color. Oh, shame. Itas. Yun, isa. May isa. Good job. May isa. Sigurado na yan. Ugi. Luko to. Ugi. Pasok. Okay, last pool. This is it. Our last. Uy, oh, tingnan mo, swak na swak. Last crab trap. Ay, crab, hook nets. Oh, pare, decent? Pwede? Maaga pang masabi. Come on, buddy. Come on. 20. Yan na. Uy, pare, meron. Dalawa? Ayun. Yun, oh. Last spot. Meron. Loko ka. Ito, oh. Ito.
Lapat.
Ano natin, ha? Oh, shame. Mali. Kulang, oh. Ito, red crab ata to. Okay. Thank you. So we go now. Say bye-bye. Paul, good job.
See you.
Alex, good job.
See you in 2 months.
See you. Bye. So we are here. Oh, park na. Yes. Good.
Very good. Clean now.
Okay, clean na. Yun, oh. Yo. Catch and cook. Got the limit. Okay.